Hello everybody, you're looking at the Effgen booth at the Grinding Hub, and we are displaying our grinding tools. We are manufacturing super abrasive as well as conventional tool with our daughter, the company Lapport. And you can see a lot of our key products, which we are in all areas of grinding. From metal bond, we have particularly there as shaft tools in very specific new ceramic materials. Grinding, you're looking at electroplated, that is all profile wheels as camshaft, crankshaft grinding, all applications, aerospace, vitrified bonded, vitrified CBN tools is a great improvement in our portfolio of tools. So whatever you have within grinding, Effgen should be able to find a solution for your issues and improve your processes.
My name is Mathew. We represent Effgen Lapport. It's a German company having 140 years of experience, and we specialize in high-end grinding solutions including ceramics and steel. Thank you.